And Jake, just so I understand your position now, do you say that there are universals, or are they just particulars? Because I feel like it feels like you switched up, and a lot of people back channel do the same thing.
Don't worry about me, bro. Don't worry about me. I've been quiet. Don't worry about me.
No, I just wanted to know your stance, bro.
Don't worry about me. Simple.
Okay. Do you believe God has two right hands?
I'm not talking to you.
All right, bro. So then, if you don't want to talk, you can move. You can go down to the audience. I don't know why you're here.
I'm here because I was pinged here.
Okay, bro. You can go down to the audience because you don't want to speak, right? So here.
No, I don't want to talk to you.
You know,
go down.
There's plenty of other people here. That doesn't mean I need to speak.
Yo, Mustafa,
maybe
why
I
are you
might
acting
wanna
like
ask
this,
him.
bro? You literally said Jake's the only one I want to
So
talk
now,
to. He's
so
the
now,
most
Jake,
sincere.
you're saying that you do want to speak, but you just don't want to speak with me.
No, I said if somebody wants to speak to me other than you, then maybe I'll engage.
All right, Jake, how are you, bro?
Jake doesn't believe God has two hands, and you guys do. This is a disagreement between the two of you guys.
What are
This is
you
like,
talking about, bro? Where do you get
Jake,
that from?
Okay, so Jake, do you believe God has two right hands? Yes or no? Just affirm.
Bro, he's trying to provoke an answer from you,
bro. I know. Of course, man. This is a joke, honestly.
Okay, so you're saying God has two right hands. God has two hands, right?
Mustafa,
See, guys, I'm telling you, he does not believe what you believe.
Bro, he's trying to provoke. Bro, why?
No, look, Ghazali, guys, look, notice how he can't affirm it. He cannot affirm it publicly.
Bro, this guy is...
I can't affirm it publicly, bro. I'm just not talking to you. I already told you that.
Guys, if it's so easy, if I'm so wrong, why can't you affirm it publicly?
This is like primary school tricks, bro. You can't do
Ghazali,
that.
but do you see?
Exactly
do you see how
right.
you can't
This
affirm it
guy's a
publicly?
joke,
Do you see
man.
that?
Honestly,
If it was so easy, if it's Sunnah and this is what you believe, why can't you say it publicly?
Why couldn't you affirm that you were a Muslim like 2 weeks
see what
ago?
I mean? And I did affirm it, and Yaqub's the witness. And Yaqub's the witness. Yaqub, did I or did I not?
Did you or did you know what?
Did I affirm that I was Muslim?
Wait, well, Jake
Yes
said
or
you
no?
were- you said
2
you
weeks
were.
ago, you didn't.
Yaqub, did I or did I not?
But to me, you did, yeah. But like, Jake
Yes,
said,
and publicly in the chat, Yaqub. Do not lie. You even said it publicly that he did affirm it about himself. Let's move on.
So
that's
you became a Muslim within the
You just
past
lied
2
again.
weeks.
Jake,
You became a Muslim.
You just
became
lied
a
again.
Muslim within the
You
past
just
2
lied
weeks.
again.
How did he lie?
I didn't lie, bro. I didn't lie about
He
anything.
didn't say right now.
Yalla, bro. Yalla, Jake. Why can't you affirm that he has two hands publicly?
Why can't you affirm 2 weeks ago that you were a
again,
Muslim?
cannot.
Why couldn't you affirm it 2 weeks ago that you were a Muslim?
I did. I am Muslim. and
No,
I did
you
it.
affirm it now.
I affirm it.
2 weeks ago
Okay.
you didn't.
See, guys, he can't even answer the
Bro,
question.
you didn't even know if you believed in the Quran 2 weeks ago.
Does the necessary being have two hands? Or no?
You can't deny it because if you denied it, you know
See,
you'd be
Jake.
alive.
Okay, Jake, you're done, bro. You're done.
No, you're
if this is
done.
what you
You're
believe,
done. You're
lying.
barbecue
You're
chicken,
lying to
bro.
them publicly.
You're
lying to them
barbecue chicken.
publicly.
I don't lie publicly, bro.
Okay, so
I
then
don't
answer the
lie
question.
publicly like
Just
you.
yes or no, bro. Just answer the question. Can you do
I
that?
don't need to answer any of your
But
questions.
I
already
thought
told
that you believe. But I thought that you believe what they believe.
Bro,
Do you know
I
what they
don't need to answer
This
any
guy is
of
doing
your
this guy.
questions.
Guys, open your eyes.
But you gotta
he's doing
stop, bro,
taqiyya.
putting it
He's doing
up to him,
taqiyya
like-
right now. He doesn't want to admit it publicly.
I'm doing taqiyya when you're the guy who didn't know he was Muslim 2 weeks ago.
Look at this.
Really.
I'm asking you,
You're
does the
honest.
necessary
Like,
being have two
you're-
hands?
You're trying to
No,
put it up.
Does he or not?
Mustafa, Jake.
No, Yaqub. If
No,
he
thank
answers
you.
this, I'll stop.
No,
If he answers
you've
this, I'll
exposed
stop.
Jake. Oh my God, Jake.
If
Oh
he
my
answers
God.
this,
No,
I'll
you're
stop.
trying to put
exposed
it
him.
up in a way
You
where
exposed
like,
him. You opened my eyes, man.
if he doesn't
That wait, one
Can you
second.
answer this, Jake?
1 second, man. Let me
Yaqub,
just
I'm
answer.
not gonna stop
Wait,
until he
man.
answers this.
Bro, let me unsubscribe from his YouTube channel.
If this is what
Just
he
exposed him,
believes,
bro.
why can't he affirm
Let me
it?
tell you about it.
If he believes this, why can't he affirm
You
it?
just exposed him. Oh my God, man. It's such a big expose, man. One second. Let me call the tabloids. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, but Mustafa, honestly, right? The thing is,
Okay, look. It's just gonna be Jake, and watch. He can't. He's gonna run away. He's gonna run away. Watch, Jake. It's a simple question: yes or no. Does the necessary being have two hands? Can you answer this question? Because you claim that it does. You claim that you are. You believe what they believe, but I know you're doing taqiyya, and you don't actually believe this.
What do I believe? What do I believe?
I'm asking you now.
What do
Affirm
I
it publicly.
believe? You said
Affirm
you
it.
know what I
Affirm
believe.
it.
What do I believe?
Jake, can you
Tell me.
affirm it publicly? Just
Tell me what I believe.
notice how Notice this, guys. All he has to do is just affirm what he claims he believes, and he can't even do that.
Notice what you did. You
Jake,
just moved
affirm.
everybody
Jake,
because you want to make a show. That's obvious.
Look, his silence is denial. Look at this. Jake, why can't you affirm it? If it's so easy, just affirm it. The fact that you're not affirming it publicly is proof that what I'm saying is right. I'm just asking you to affirm it, and all this.
Yes, I know. You're right, bro.
Yeah, bro. Look, guys. All I'm asking. By the way, just so you guys know, here I'm gonna move him down because I know he's gonna interrupt. Right? Like, if I said to you, "Do you believe that God is one?" Right? If I said, "Do you believe God is one?" The answer is not. I'm not gonna tell you. The answer would be yes. Of course, God is one because this is what I believe. Right? Because when you have a belief, you're proud of it. Right? You're proud of your belief. Now, Jake's belief apparently is that God has two hands. It's the same as him saying God is one. This is his belief. You should not be ashamed of your belief. I'm giving him a chance, a microphone, to tell everyone that yes, this is indeed what I believe. The fact that he's not able to, it shows that maybe either A, it's not actually what he believes in Tammiyah, or B, ignorance. I don't know which one it is. So Jake, here, bro, you have a microphone. You just have to affirm it. Just affirm God has two hands, and that's all you have to do, and then I'll actually stop. Then I'll know that this is actually what you believe, and then you prove me wrong. Yalla, here. Because for someone that believes in what they believe in, why do you feel so afraid?
Okay, I will tell you what I affirm. I affirm that you're a kafir.
Perfect. So guys, this is what it's resulted to. I asked him, can he affirm God has two hands? He is not affirming it publicly because he is doing taqiyya. He doesn't believe what you guys believe. It's all a joke. He fails to, and I'm not asking.
The guy who didn't know he was Muslim 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, bro. This is what I'm talking about. He has a microphone. He's not using it. Yalla, bro. We're gonna move you back down to the audience.